Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge 22. So in this, every week we'll be giving you hands-on development challenges to give you a hands-on experience on coding and improve your coding skills. So this is Weekend 22 and let's jump into the problem statement. So the problem statement is basically hamburger menu challenge. So you have a Spider-Verse developer. So basically you have a UI related to Spider-Man and then you have to give a hamburger menu. Hamburger menu is basically those three icons which you see, three lines, and when you click on that, the navigation bar opens instead of having it always on navigation bar. So in this, we have three files, that is index.html, style.css, and script.js. Style is already given. I don't think we'll have to update anything in this. So you have to change index and script. Directly let's jump into the code. So in the HTML, it says first we have to give the hamburger icon. So how do we give the hamburger icon? Is basically we give a div, we give a class, that is the division in the class hamburger, and ID would also be hamburger, and then we have multiple spans, and then we are closing the div. Now after this we have the side menu. So in this sidebar, whatever should be displayed is basically home, missions, Spider-Verse hub. We're just giving the reference as hashtag. We're not giving connecting it to anywhere right now. This is a simple program. So we have these 6 things which should be displayed in the sidebar, which appears, and then in the hero section we have all the text that is being displayed. All this is of no relevance to this topic, whatever we are doing. And then one more section is about what the content is about the Spider-Verse mission, so whatever the mission is about. And then we have the story section. So what is the story about? So far in the paragraphs we have multiple paragraphs in that, and a few sections in the bold as well. Now finally we have one footer, and then we have connected this into script.js. Okay, this is of our importance. This much is relevant, was relevant for us. Now let me move into the script.js. So in script.js, I have a const called hamburger, which was here. Okay, it will be easy for me to compare. Let me keep it open like this. So you can see whatever element has ID hamburger, which is the ID, which is this one. So whatever element is in this one, for that we have a const called hamburger, and whatever ID for the menu, we have get element by ID menu. So in this one is the const menu. Now we have to add an event listener saying whenever you click on that, whenever a mouse is clicked on that, you have to toggle the hamburger class list to active. So basically this list becomes active, that is the sidebar opens, and all these things are also visible in that. All these things are also made active, all the menus also made active into toggle. This is made into active. Now when you click it on again, click on it back again, it goes. Let me run the program and see. This is a simple easy program. So this hamburger menu, this important note is this hamburger menu is usually used for mobile version. So in the PC you have the navigation bar, but see, you can see here in the mobile version it is not visible. So when I click on this hamburger menu, this appears, and then again close, appears, close. So in this PC usually they give you a detailed navigation bar, but in phone it is very difficult to give. So here we have that hamburger menu, and you click on that, this appears, so you can navigate. But it, like I said, we have not given any links as of now, so this just clicks on that. So now let me submit the program. I hope you guys understood this. So as you can see, all the test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.